Today we are going to be doing another thrift flip, starting with this suit. Changing it into a mini tweed 90s Chanel inspired runway look, complete with bustier crop top and matching gold chain belt. You know, the iconic little tweed mini cropped jacket, cropped bustier top, mini skirt with those lovely gold chain belts. I think these looks are just so iconic for how revolutionary they were. They took what was a very stuffy, bored suit and turned it into something so youthful, so fun, so new, something that anyone would want to wear. Let's get started. First, you're going to begin with a dress with a strapless top. You're going to cut off the skirt portion of the top and then seam rip off the skirt and that zipper. Be careful, cats are known to love a seam ripper. Next, you're going to finish those edges back off, tucking in the lining and covering it with those finished edges, or folding back the white lining to create a finished edge. Next, you're going to sew down those edges that you just seam ripped up. Normally, you should use a separating zipper for a little crop top like this, but I don't have one the right length. So you're also able to use a regular zipper, but you want to put the bottom clasp actually at the top, because the waist is a smaller amount than the top, so you could still get it on that way using a regular zipper. Now attach your zipper foot. You're going to sew down one side of the zipper, then make sure they're lined up and sew down that other zipper. I used a vintage 80s blazer and skirt set for the project. First, I tried on the skirt and measured how short I wanted it to be, then I pinned it. Next, I cut off the skirt where I had just pinned it. Next, I cut off the interior lining of the skirt about an inch shorter. Next, you're going to finish the edges. I ironed down the edges so that I could get a straight seam line, and I sewed those down. I did the same for the skirt portion. Next, I tried on the jacket and measured where I wanted to crop it to. Next, I cut it to my desired length. The jacket was connected different, so I did the lining and the top together. First, I sewed them together. Then, using an iron, I pressed down those edges so I could hem them. I used 2.5 thick necklace chains to make this belt. First, you're going to remove the end parts of the necklaces and connect them together with a jump ring. Keep one clasp so you can connect them together. Then connect a fun decorative charm with another jump ring. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this 90s Chanel runway inspired mini jumpsuit. Please let me know if you have any questions below, and please check out my Depop channel. I'll have this item listed shortly. Okay? And that you try and recreate this Chanel inspired mini suit. It was a really easy project. I think it only took maybe an hour total work time. Bye.